Got the high speed hair dryer, negative ion. Let's put it to the test. Okay, it has the power button, the heat button, and the fan button. There's 4 different settings. The negative ion, which is good for your hair. It does not cause any damage. Then it has high, medium, low, and 3 different heat settings. Even the sound is a lot lower. So if you go power, negative ion, low, medium, high temperature, and then this is on the low speed, medium, high, and 2 attachments, and they're magnetic. Let's see how long it takes to dry my hair, and of course we'll speed up the video. That took all but 5.5 minutes, and usually when I blow dry my hair, it would be completely out here, frizzed out, and this is straight. I will still use a straightener, but for it to look like that, it's kind of crazy. Click the shopping cart below and get a 15% off coupon.